Hello friends, I am Lokesh, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. We have a question based on analytical puzzles. It says 6 persons A, S, R, U, N and V are sitting in a circle facing the center. V is to the left of S, A is between R and U and N is second to the left of A. And the question is who is between A and V? So as we can see that the question is based on sitting arrangement and the people are sitting around a circular table. So let us see how we can approach this question. So as it is given that there are 6 people A, S, R, U, N and V, and because they are facing each other around a circle, as you can see in the diagram, they are all facing the center and sitting around a circular table. Now the first line of the question says V is to the left of S. So initially what we do, we arrange them in a linear fashion. So if V is to the left of S, A is between R and U. So we have to write down whatever information is given to us in the question. So the second line says A is between R and U. Now please understand, when we say A is between R and U, this is one possibility, or the other possibility is it is A in between R and U in such a manner. So U can be on the right side or U can be on the left hand side, and we have to take both the things into consideration because we cannot assume anything from our side. The next line says N is to the second left of A. So if A is here, N is second to the left. So N comes here, and if this is the pattern UAR, then N comes here. Now the question is who is between A and B. Now look at the possibilities. My first possibility is that N, R, A, U, and then this V and S can either occupy this place, or it can also be possible that N, R, A, U and then V and S can come on the right hand side. So this is my second possibility of arrangement. But also at the same time we can take this sequence, which is your N, U, A, R, and then when you take this combination VS, this is possible on the left hand side. And also, as I said, we cannot assume anything, so we are just going with the flow, whatever information is given in the question. So these are the possibilities of arrangement for these 6 people around the circular table. Now let's come to the question, who is between A and V? Now let's look at this. Between A and B, now if we look at this arrangement, A and V are far apart. Whereas when we come to the second situation, it is A, this is V, and who is coming in between? It is U. Similarly, if we look at the other arrangement, A is here, V is here. So there are multiple people in between. And if we look at the second sequence, A and V, so we have R in between. So this gives us R in between. Now because we are getting U or R as a possibility in between A and V, thus we cannot say what can be the confirm answer to this question. And thus we will go with the option data insufficient, because we are not sure whether U is in between or R is in between. And thus the better answer to this question becomes data insufficient. So this is how we can reach to a question or to an answer of a question based on sitting arrangement. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning, we cannot go with the assumption. We are not going to make any assumption that who is going to occupy which place. I hope everyone has understood this. Thank you.